Welcome to Learn Yourself. Try this sum from page number 158. Find the percentage of children of different heights for following data. So here these are the heights for number of children that 22, 25, 32, 21 and total number of children are 100. So when we are representing this number of children in fraction, that out of 100 children, 22 children have height of 110 centimeters. So how can we write that in fraction? So total quantity here or total number of children are 100. Now out of that 22 children have height of 110 centimeters. So how can we write this in fraction? So 22 children out of 100 children. So that is how we are representing this in terms of fraction. Here nowhere the height will come in a picture because we are writing in terms of children, that how many children have height of 110 centimeters. So 22 out of 100. So here in fraction we are going to write 22 out of 100. Similarly for 25, so 25 children have 120 centimeter height out of 100 children. 32 children have height 128 centimeter out of 100 children. And 21 children have height of 130 centimeter out of 100 children. So this is a representation in fraction. So fraction, this is how we are representing that quantity divided by total quantity. When we are converting this fraction to percentage, so we are multiplying it with 100. Fraction to percentage, we are multiplying with 100, and percentage to fraction, we are dividing with 100. This we have to remember. So 22 divided by 100 is there, and that we are multiplying with 100 to convert it into, so 100 and 100 will get cancelled out. We will get here 22 percentage. So percentage is already written over there. So we are going to write here only 22. Similarly for the second, 25 divided by 100 is there. We are multiplying with 100. So we will get 25 percentage. So 25 percentage will be answer. Here similarly 32 percentage will be answer, and here 21 percentage will be answer. Here total quantity is 100. So that's why to convert in a percentage was very easy. If the total quantity would have been 150 or 160, then we need to divide accordingly. Question number 2. A shop has the following number of shoe pairs of different sizes. Size 2, there are 20 shoes. There are 30 shoes of size 3. There are 28 shoes of size 4. There are 14 shoes of size 5. And there are 8 shoes of size 6. So write this information in tabular form as done earlier and find the percentage of each shoe size available in the shop. So in earlier question, that means question number 1, how we have noted down the information in tabular form, the same form we have to write this information also. So sizes of the shoes, I have mentioned it over here, number of shoes over here, and total quantities are 100 here. So it is going to be easy again for us to write them in a fraction. So how are we going to write the fraction? So for fraction we are going to write the desired quantity divided by total quantity. So here desired quantity is 20. That there are 20 shoes of size 2. So there are 20 shoes out of how many shoes? Out of 100 shoes. Total quantity is 100 and desired quantity is 20. So 20 shoes out of 100 shoes are of size 2. So fraction is going to be 20 divided by 100. Similarly for the size 3 shoes, that there are 30 shoes out of 100 shoes are of size 3. So 30 divided by 100. Similarly 28 divided by 100, 14 divided by 100 and 8 divided by 100. This further we can simplify it or you can leave it like this. They have just asked us fraction. So we can represent it like this. Now when we are converting fraction to percentage, we are multiplying with 100. When percentage we are converting into fraction, we are dividing with 100. So here we have to multiply with 100. So we already have the fraction, that is 20 divided by 100. When we will multiply with 100, this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled it off and we will get 20% as an answer. So here we got answer that 20% shoes out of all the shoes are of size 2. The meaning of this percentage is this. Now similarly, 30 divided by 100 with multiplication with 100. So 100 and 100 will get cancel it off. We will get 30%. Similarly, 28%, 14% and 8%. Now meaning of this 8% is out of all the shoes, 8% shoes are of size 6. So that is how we have represented here percentage and fraction for all these shoes. Page number 159, question number 1. A collection of 10 chips with different colors is given. So colors are here. We have to write how many number of green chips are there. Then we have to represent it in a fraction. Then denominator we have to make it 100 and then we have to write it in percentage. So let us first write the number of the chips and then we will see the total count. So there are 4 green color chips over here. So green color chips are in 4 quantity. Now blue are 3. So 3. Then red are also 3. So 3. So total is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. So total 10 chips are there. Now how to represent this in fraction? So when we are writing fraction, it is going to be a quantity, that desired quantity what we required, divided by total quantity. So here our desired quantity is 4 because we are writing fraction for green color chips. So green color chips are in 4 quantities. So 4 divided by total quantity is 10. So for green color chips, the fraction is going to be 4 divided by 10. Now for blue, similarly 3 by 10. Red, it is also going to be 3 by 10. Now when the denominator is 100, so here in fraction the denominator is 10. When we are making denominator 100, what is going to happen? So it is going to be 4 divided by 100. When total quantity is 100, then what we will get? 0.04. When the denominator is 100 for this, we will get 0.03. When denominator is 100 for red color chips, it is going to be 0.03. Now in percentage, so this fraction, when fraction is there, when we are converting it into percentage, we are multiplying with 100. When percentage is there, we are converting into fraction, we have to divide with 100. So here we have to multiply with 100. Now let us convert these quantities are into percentage. Now we have 4 blue color chips out of 10 chips. Total 10 chips are there. Out of that 4 chips are blue color chips. If 10 chips are 100% and out of that 10 chips we have 4 chips of that, how many percentage chips are? So we will get here 100 into 4 divided by 10. So 10 and 10 will get cancel it off. We will get 40% for the chips. That if 10 quantities are 100% for all these chips. Why we have written 10 here? Because total 10 chips are there. So when 4 chips are there, what will be the percentage for the chips? So it is 40%. It is unitary method what I am following here. So our percentage is 40%. Now similarly for the blue color chips, that 10 chips are 100% quantity. Then for 3 blue color chips, what will be the quantity? 3 into 100 divided by 10. So 10 will get cancel it off. We will get 30% blue color chips. Now red color chips are also 3. So that also going to be 30%. So blue and red are 30% and green chips are 40%. Now together they should give us 100%. So 30 plus 30, 60 plus 40, 100%. So yes, all the three chips will cover 100% quantity. Page number 159, question number 2. Mala has a collection of bangles. She has 20 gold bangles, 10 silver bangles. What is the percentage of bangles of each type? Can you put it in a tabular form as done in above example? So how we have represented our answer in question number 1, the same way we have to represent it over here also. So bangles are two types. Gold bangles are there and silver bangles are there. Now how many gold bangles are there? 20 gold bangles are there and 10 silver bangles are there. Now total quantity here is total 30 bangles are there. 20 plus 10, 30 bangles are there. We have to represent this into a fraction. So desired quantity divided by total quantity. So 20 divided by 30 and here 10 divided by 30. Now when we are converting into percentage, we are multiplying with 100. So we have to write it like this, that if 30 bangles are 100% quantity, then for 20 bangles, what will be the percentage quantity? So 20 into 100 divided by 30. So 1010 we can cut it off, and here 200 divided by 3. So let us try this sums, page number 161, question number 1. Convert the following to percentage. So here they have given us fractions and decimal forms of the numbers, and that we have to convert into percentage. Whenever the fractions are there, we are converting into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. And whenever percentage is there and we are converting into fraction, at that time we have to divide with 100. If in case decimal numbers are there, then decimal numbers first we have to convert it to fraction, and then we have to multiply with 100 to convert it into a fraction. So one step will be more when the decimal numbers are there, but the remaining thing will be same. So here let us start with A, 12 by 16. So this is in fraction form. When we are converting into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. So 12 divided by 16 in multiplication with 100. Now we have to simplify this and we have to convert this into lowest form. So 3 into 4 in multiplication with 25 into 4. Hundreds simplest form is 25 into 4. Now in division 16 is there, so I am going to write 4 into 4. So these two 4s will get cancel it off in denominator and numerator. So 3 into 25. 3 into 25 is 75. So 75% will be the answer for this first numerical. Now B is 3.5. It is in the decimal form. So first we are converting into fraction form. So 35 divided by, after decimal point, one number is there. So in division 10 will come. So 35 divided by 10. Now to convert this into percentage, we are multiplying with 100. Now let us convert this into simplest form. Before that, let us cancel it out 1 0. So here in denominator nothing is left, so we will get here 350% for second numerical. C, 49 divided by 50. To convert this into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. Now let us simplify this. 49 into 100 divided by 50. So 50 2s are 100. So 49 into 2. We will get here 98%. D, 2 by 2. The same numbers are there in numerator and denominator, so it will give us 1. Now 1 we have to multiply with 100 to convert it into percentage. So it will give us 100%. Then E is in decimal form. Let us convert this into fraction form. So 5 divided by, after decimal point, two numbers are there. So in denominator 100 will come. Now we have to multiply with 100 to convert this into percentage. So this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled it off. We got here 5% as an answer. Try these sums, page number 161, question number 2. First question is, out of 32 students, 8 are absent. What percent of students are absent? So total quantity here, total students, strength is 32 students, and out of absentees or absent students are 8. So how to convert this first into a fraction? So first, whatever quantities are there, we are writing them into a fraction, and that fraction we are converting into percentage. When fraction we are converting into percentage, we are multiplying with 100. So desired quantity, how to write a fraction? So for fraction, this you have to remember that whatever quantities, desired quantities are there, that divided by total quantities. So here we are going to find out the percentage for absent student. So absent students are 8 out of total student, and that is 32. So 8 by 32. Now this is our fraction. We are converting this into percentage. So we are going to multiply with 100. Let us simplify this further, that 4 into 2 in multiplication with 25 into 4. In division 8 into 4. So 8 and 4 into 2 we can cancel it off, and 4 and 4 we can cancel it off. So here we got 25% as an answer. Our second question. There are 25 radios, 16 of them are out of order. What percent of radios are out of order? So total radios are 25 and out of order are 16. So how to convert them into fraction? So fraction is equals to 16 is desired quantity, that out of order radios are 16, and divided by total quantities, so that is 25. So this is our fraction for this numerical. Now we are converting this into percentage. To convert them into percentage, we are multiplying with 100. Now let us simplify this further. So 16 into 25 into 4 divided by 25. So this 25 and 25 we can cancel it off. We got here 16 into 4 is 64%. Question number 3. A shop has 500 items, out of which 5 are defective. What percent are defective? So total items are 500 and defective items are 5. So how can we represent this into a fraction? So fraction is desired quantity divided by total quantity. So desired quantity is 5. So this many items are defective divided by total quantity. So divided by 500. Now to convert this into a percentage, we have to multiply this with 100. So 5 divided by 500 in multiplication with 100. So let us simplify this. 5 into 100 divided by 500. So 500 divided by 500, we got here 1. 5 and 100 will get cancelled it off with 500. So we got here 1. So percentage will be 1%. So answer is 1%. So 1% item is defective in the store. Fourth numerical. There are 120 voters, 90 of them voted yes. What percent voted yes? So total quantity or total voters are 120 and the people who have said yes or voted yes are 90 out of 120. So our fraction will be 90 divided by 120. Now to convert this into percentage, we have to multiply this fraction to 100. So let us simplify this further with, we can cancel it off 1 0 here. So 3 into 30 in multiplication with 10 and here 3 into 4. So 3 and 3 we can cancel it off. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Again 2 15s are 30. So we got here 15 into 5. So 75% voted yes. Try these sums, page number 162, question number 1. So 35% plus what percentage will make 100%? So let us give a sub question numbers to this questions A, B, C and D. So A is 35% plus sum of the percentage will make 100%. So one of the method that we can do this is 100% minus 35%. That this 35 we can change a side and it is going to be negative. So we will get here 100 minus 35. So we will get 65. So 65 is going to be the answer for this. That 35 plus 65 will make it 100%. Now B. 64 plus 20 plus some percentage will give us 100%. So first we have to add 64 plus 20. So it is going to be 4 and 8, 84%. Now this 84% we have to subtract from 100. So we will get here 16. So plus 16% will give us 100%. So how are we going to write this? That 64% plus 20% plus equals to 100%. So here 84%, 100 minus 84, or we can just guess this quantity as x. Then x is going to be 16%. Now see, 45% equals to 100% minus sum of the percentage. So 45%, here we are guessing this quantity as x. We are changing the side for 100, so it is going to be 100 minus 100 equals to minus x percentage. So 45 minus 100 we will get 55 and both of this will be minus, so it is going to be positive. So x equals to 55%. So answer here will be 55%. Then D is 70% equals to sum of the percentage minus 30%. So we can guess here x. So 70% equals to plus 30%. As we are changing the side for 30, so it is going to be positive equals to x percentage. So we will get here 70 plus 30 is 100%. 100% equals to x. So x equals to 100% will be the answer for this D. Try these sums, page number 162, question number 2. If 65% of students in a class have a bicycle, what percent of students do not have bicycles? Now we know that always total percentage will be equals to 100%. So if 65% students have bicycle, then to find out how many students do not have bicycle, we have to subtract this 65 from 100. So we got our answer here, that is 35. So 35% students do not have bicycle. Try this sums, page number 162, question number 3. We have a basket full of apples, oranges and mangoes. 50% are apples, 30% are oranges. Then what percent are mangoes? So let us note down all the details. We have two quantities here. Third quantity we have to find out. We know that total percentage are 100%. So when we will combine all these three, it should give us 100%. So when we will add quantities of apples, oranges and mangoes, it should give us 100. We have oranges, that is 50%. We have apples, they are 50%. Oranges quantity, that is 30%. And mangoes we have to find out. Equals to 100%. So here 50 plus 30 will give us 80%, plus mangoes will be equal to 100%. So mangoes will be equal to 100% minus 80%. So we will get answer here 20%. So our mangoes are 20% in this basket. Sums, page number 163, question number 1. What percent of these figures are shaded? So first we have to find out the fraction, that how many parts are shaded here. So first we are going to write the fraction from the figure, and then we are converting this fraction into percentage. How to convert fraction into percentage? When fraction is there, we are converting into percentage, we are multiplying with 100. When percentage is there, we are converting into fraction, we are dividing with 100. So this we have to remember. Now let us find out the fraction. How to find out fraction? First let us count total number of parts. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total parts are 4. So it will come in denominator. Total quantities for the fraction will come into denominator. Now how many parts are shaded? So 1, 2 and 3 parts are shaded. So desired quantities are 3, because they have said that how many parts are shaded. That's why shaded parts fraction will be 3 by 4. If non-shaded, if we are finding out non-shaded parts portion or fraction, then it is going to be only one part is non-shaded here. So it was going to be 1 by 4. Total quantities will always remain same. Whatever desired quantity will be there, that will change. So here we want this fraction because we want to find out shaded portions percentage. So here our fraction is going to be 3 by 4. Now to convert this into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. So 3 by 4 in multiplication with 100. So let us simplify this. 25 4s are 100. So 3 into 25 will give us 75%. So our answer is 75% part is shaded in this figure. Second numerical. Let us see what all parts are shaded. Here they have already given us fraction, that this fraction is shaded, this fraction is shaded, and this part is also shaded. So we have these fractions. So fractions equals to 1 by 4, then 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. Now if we want to count all this together, then we have to add them. So all these three shaded part, so we are going to add. Now let us take LCM. LCM here is 8. So here we have to multiply 2 to this first fraction to convert this denominator into 8. So 1 into 2, 4 into 2 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So we will get here 2 plus 1 divided by 8. because our denominator is same now. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 4 divided by 8. Once we will simplify this, we will get 1 divided by 2. Now let us convert this fraction into percentage. What we have found out till here is what fraction is shaded. So 1 by 2 fraction is shaded. Now we have to convert this into percentage. To convert in percentage, to this fraction we have to multiply with 100. So we will get here 2 50s are 100. So 50% portion is shaded in this figure. So our answer is 50%. Try these sums, page number 164, question number 1. We have to find that what will be the 50% of 164. So we have to find that 50% of 164. If this full quantity is 164, then we have to find out that what will be the 50% of this number. So which number we will get when we will make 50% quantity of 164. It is same as if we have a number that is number 4, and if we are making this 50% of number 4, then it is going to be number 2. The same way we have 164 number, we have to find out what will be the 50% quantity or the number for 164. So let us start with numerical A, that 50% of 164. Now this percentage is there, we are converting into fraction. So percentage, when we are converting into fraction, we are going to divide with 100. So 50 divided by 100 of 164. So of suggests multiplication. So we will get here 50 divided by 100 in multiplication with 164. Now let us simplify this. So we will get here 50 2s are 100. So we got here 164 divided by 2. So 82 2s are 164. So our number is 82. That means 50% of 164 is 82. The other way of finding out 50% quantity of 164 is to divide with 2. When you will divide 164 with 2, we will get 50% of 164. B numerical. 75% of 12. So let us convert this into fraction. So 75 divided by 100, percentage to fraction, of 12. So of we are converting into multiplication. So 75 divided by 100 into 12. Now let us simplify this. So 15 into 5 is 75, into 3 into 4. So in denominator we will get 20 into 5. So 5, 4 and 20 we can cancel it off. 5 3s are 15. So 3 into 3 we will get 9. So 75% of 12 is number 9. Numerical C. 12 1 by 2% of 64. So here mixed fraction is there. Let us convert this into fraction. So when mixed fraction is there, how to convert this into fraction? This two will get multiplied and product. Into the product we are adding the numerator. So we will get 12 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. That means our fraction is 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 25 divided by 2. So our fraction is 25 divided by 2% of 64. Now percentage to fraction, divided by 2 and in division 100, in multiplication with 64. Now let us solve this term first. So we have here 25 divided by 2, in denominator 100 is there. Let us reframe this term. So 25 divided by 2, in division 100 is there. So 100 in division 100, the 1 is there. So when we are converting this division sign into multiplication, we have to write reciprocal of this 100. So 1 divided by 100. So our term now has become 25 divided by 2, and that is in multiplication with 100. So 25 in division 200 will be our simplified term. So I am writing directly here 25 in division 2 in multiplication with 100 in multiplication with 64. So 25 fours are 100, and we got here 64 divided by 8. Now 8 8s are 64. So we got here 8 as an answer. That 12 1 by halves percentage of 64 is 8. Question number 2. 8% children of a class of 25 like getting wet in rain. How many children like getting wet in rain? So we have to find out the number that how many children got wet in rain, and that is 8% of 25. So 8% of 25 will be what number that we have to find out. So with unitary method also we can find out that total strength of student is 25. Total students are 25. So 25 students are there, and that strength is 100%. So we have 8% children who got wet in rain. So which number will it be? So 25 in multiplication with 8 in division 100. So we will get here 25 4s are 100, 4 8s are 2. So 2 children got wet in rain. Another method to solve this numerical is 8% of 25. So 8%, let us convert this into fraction. So 8 divided by 100 of means multiplication of 25. So let us solve this. So 8 into 25 in division 100. So 25 4s are 100 and 4 2s are 8. So we got here 2 as an answer. So 2 children got wet in rain. Try these sums from page number 164. First question is 9 is 25% of what number? So 25% we have. So let us understand the numerical first, that if this whole quantity is there and this is a 25%, this is a 100%, and this quantity is 25%, then this represents 9 number. Then what will be the whole quantity? That what will be the 100% quantity if 25% quantity is number 9? So of what number 25% is 9? So direct method is, if we are adding 75% into that, 3 more 25% into that, then we will get 100% quantity. So we can directly do this, that 9 into 4 we can do, and we will get the answer that 36. So 36 is the number of which 25% is number 9. But let us do this stepwise. So numerical 1, 9 is 25% of what number? So let us first do it with unitary method. So 9 is how many percentage? It is 25%. So we have to find out the whole quantity. So whole quantity is 100%. So what will be the number associated with 100% quantity? So 9 into 100 in division 25. So 25 4s are 100. So we got here answer 36. That 25% of 36 is number 9. Now let us do it another way, that 5% of x equals to 9. We are assuming that the whole quantity is x. So percent, let us convert this into fraction. 25 divided by 100 of we are converting into multiplication into x equals to 9. So x equals to, let us take this 25 divided by 100 to other side. So 9, 100 is in denominator, will go to numerator, and 25 will go to denominator. So 25 4s are 100, x equals to 36. So we can write answer here like 9 is 25% of number 36. Second numerical, 75% of what number is equals to 15? So let us first do it via unitary method. So 75% is number 15. Then what will be the 100% quantity of the same number? So 100 into 15 in division 75 will be there. So let us simplify this. We will get 20 into 5, in multiplication 5 into 3, in division we will get 15 into 5. So 15 we can cancel it off with 5 and 3, and 5 will cancel it off with 5. So we will get answer here 20. Let us try with another method in which we are guessing the whole quantity. So let our whole quantity be x. So 75% of x is the number 15. So let us convert this percentage into fraction. So 75 divided by 100 of means multiplication, x equals to 15. Now x equals to, we will get 15 in multiplication with 100, in denominator 75, as we are taking this full term to other side. So we will get here x equals to 15 5s are 75, 5 20s are 100. So x equals to 20. So our answer here is 20. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe Learn Yourself.